Shohada, or Al-Qat'a Bridge, remains one of the most beautiful places in the world. You see, this is the oldest bridge in Baghdad. It was built with its construction, and since then, it has linked both banks of the old city, Karkh and Risaf. The seagull descends gently and gracefully, eating from your hand, as if it has known you for a long time. It approaches you from afar, like your relatives or friends who have traveled far and suddenly come back to kiss you. How beautiful it is this winter morning. Baghdad remains beautiful and offers us places of psychological comfort, which make us optimistic and say that life is still good.